Cheers, mix, click, and code with Boozy browsing, sipping and fixing the web one cocktail at a time.
Do you want to share or do you want me to share?
You got it?
And so I identified the site. I didn't actually go through the steps, but let's see.
I cheated and had my personal AI bot
Mm-hmm.
build a tool to tell me.
Yeah. But what's funny about this, when I was just trying to share it, it's actually not showing on here, but there's no favicon on the site.
Well, that's I would say that you could add that to the list because a lot of the vibe code, they don't understand basic, even SEO stuff, but like basic human or how systems use files like that. Like that's going to be in your tab. Like people need that to identify what site, especially I have 1 to 500 tabs, you know me. And all I can see are the favicons.
Right.
So
Yeah. So that's like your
the empty
identifier.
ones on the custom apps that I've built. Yeah, on my local.
This one doesn't have it. And then initially it didn't really have the actual title correctly, and then now it's showing up a little bit. So I don't know what that was. All right. So step number 1, view source. Let's see. I'll just paste.
So you're going to be able to share and view source also. It's like the type of request, and it's the
Yeah.
yeah. There you go.
It's not fetching anything.
Maybe it's a different.
I mean, this actually
maybe it was generated with a static.
Yeah, I don't think there's any database connected to it.
What's the shop now? What does that go to?
Nowhere.
Well, there you go. That's one thing. That's the they ran out of tokens or decided to stop at a certain point and they deployed it anyways.
Yeah, incorrect use of label form element. But yeah, so it doesn't do anything.
So I can't buy
Goes to.
Did it anchor at least? Did it scroll up a little?
Get in touch.
Oh, so it did anchor.
I mean, they really should have made it Etsy shop.
Did it?
What does this do?
So it has a cart.
Oh my god! All right, so what does this do?
This looks a lot like the one that we built with the T-shirts, the fake one.
Yeah.
And we laughed at, and we said we'd never deploy it live.
Yeah.
Oh, and they're all image. I mean, that's kind of they took they took pictures with their phone and uploaded. That's fine, but
yeah. Yeah, this view product doesn't do anything. So maybe they had some database and got rid of it.
So did they really try to build a custom e-commerce site instead of just using something?
Yeah. Anyway, so failed anyway. So run through the build.
Fine.
So built with.
I think a lot of people get stuck on that. It's like, oh, I built something that looks really good. In this case, though, you would think you would take it that one step further and like try it.
Oh boy. Cool.
Oh, what's the site? Oh, the Scrubby Club Soap.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I did an audit check on that one too.
So built with Netify, like we said.
Yeah. So all the policy stuff was missing, all the security policies. There was broken links.
Yeah. There's no SS certificate. Needs to be updated. Yeah.
A bunch of 404s. There's some kind of API endpoint, and that's a 404 also. There's no robots.txt. There's no sitemaps.xml, so that's failing on SEO.
Yeah, and it's built on React on Netify, which is the one we actually mentioned before.
Well, I didn't see, so I'm not looking. I could pull it up, but there's nothing special else otherwise. I mean, there's like all kinds of like finish the app type of things, like the SEO stuff. There's you talked about, we brought up the favicon. Obviously, this report didn't pull that up, but it's like they vibe coded something that was missing all kinds of features that, whether you're using Shopify, Etsy, even or WooCommerce, like on WordPress, like those just do all the things. Like you don't have to tell it, and I think that's one thing missing. Like someone that wants to build their product out, they'll tell it the things that they want, and it'll make assumptions, and it'll build a little bit more, and it goes and does this, but it doesn't do the full site because it doesn't know how to build all of the basic stuff, I would say.
Yeah.
Outside of security.
we run a light audit on this thing, and it really was that the site. We kind of saw it. There's a bunch of broken links.
Yeah.
Mail to link is not working, and the cart doesn't have real ability to actually buy
Do
something.
anything. This
Yeah.
well, so we forgot to talk about like this one that site that was been up for a while and got press,
Yeah.
right? Like
And
this isn't someone's random, oh, we found it, they just published it yesterday.
mhm,
This has been up for months and got press about a site that was, oh, they vibe coded it. Isn't this amazing? And it's been
yes.
up, right?
Yeah.
That's what I
That's
saw
that's
in the
what
notes.
yeah, that's actually why we picked that site. And then
Right.
there's no SEO value as whatsoever. So if you go to Google, it doesn't you don't see anything.
Yeah.
It's missing the entire SEO to it. And it says something about bolt hallucinated product data. So like that's like when we were actually trying to click on load more, there's nothing.
Yeah.
And it just says something about reviews, but the review's gone now.
Yeah. I mean, they've obviously still tried to fix things. And I'm sure they're in some kind of recursive, like, I can't get the AI vibe coding engine to fix everything.
Right. So and then
And
photo
that's where
links
you
are all
are.
broken and
Yeah.
zero SEO infrastructure. Bottom line, yeah, this site looks like a real store, but when you actually try to do anything with it, nothing's working. And yeah, I mean, this is actually on Business Insider June 18th. From I vibe coded the website with my daughter using an AI tool called Bolt. So it came out in June 2025. So it's
Hmm.
been up since then.
Like we're getting close to a year, you know?
So yeah, I mean, there you go. So that's like a classic example of vibe
Yeah.
coded app. And if you push it to production, and I mean, if it actually worked, I mean, if anyone really tried it, I don't know if their credit card or whatever value information is secure.
Yeah, I wouldn't, based on all the other things, like if we were doing a regular Boozy browsing audit, like, yeah, I
Yeah.
would have never checked out on that site.
Yeah.
Too many red flags before I even get to that point.
Yeah.
Like
I
the
just
shop
don't even
now
know.
going to not
Nowhere.
a shop page.
It goes to the contact page.
Yeah.
Like at least if they have an Etsy shop, they probably should have just linked to the Etsy shop.
Right.
Probably made it easier. And then link all the products to the Etsy shop.
Yeah.
Then it's actually a workable site. But yeah, so this is why we're saying something like along the line of like this is dangerous if you want to push anything. And this is also a very, very simple site. If you want to do anything a
Super
little more complicated than this and just try to rely on vibe coding, the end result will be
alone. Right.
pretty bad.
Yeah. I mean, it's fun to make fun of these, but do we want to pitch what we do also randomly?
Go, go
I
ahead.
mean, we can fix sites like this. It's not that hard. Like you just add a human that actually knows what they're doing in the loop a little bit.
Mm,
Like the person that put that stuff into the vibe coding probably knows about their product, about what they want to see. And that's what they got. Something that looks like a full site until you start testing it out. Like you still need a senior person looking at code to, if you're going to go through this and go to production. Like I don't think there's any way of skipping it,
right,
especially for e-commerce. Like if
right.
you're asking people to put their credit card information in, I mean, please either just use a SaaS product out there,
Mhm.
or you have to have someone
Yeah. I mean,
auditing it.
seriously, that investment will be cheaper than getting sued and trying to fix
Yeah.
the security breach that happened on your site. And I mean, even like so what we're recommending before. So, like, if you really don't want to spend too much money on actually completing or making the e-commerce site, then have an Etsy site. Like, it looks like this one. It's a pretty
Uh-huh.
quick thing to do. You already have an Etsy site. Just link Shop Now to that Etsy store and all the product to the matching Etsy product. Then at least it's a workable site. You can actually put it like that. It's more of a promotion to go to your store to actually make revenue and product sales. And you need someone, like even like a consulting level, to tell you that. So you can't just rely on what AI tells you, especially if you're going to put a product out like
Right.
that.
Yeah.
How's that feel?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Did you finish it? It was a giant beer.
It was just tall. It wasn't a wide one.
Okay.
It was, I don't know what this actually is. 19.2 fluid ounces. I don't know why it's so random. I don't know why. Oh, it's a pint. That makes sense.
Okay. All right.
Normal size beer, just tall.
Yeah. Any departing thoughts?
I mean, I still think I like vibe coding for like testing things out and even going for internal tools and demoing things. I think you have to know what it's doing. Especially if you're going to go with anything live. So again, you have to have people in the loop. You don't have to have developers building anymore, but you have to have someone reviewing.
Right.
But just
Yeah.
like you don't, I mean, well, I'm a developer, so I could say I'll say that you don't need a developer developing, but I don't know that you need a designer designing that much anymore. Sometimes on some of these sites, right? They would probably
Yeah.
say differently. Same thing with marketing, creative, but you at least need someone in front of it, helping it and reviewing it, right? So a designer reviewing it, saying it's good, a creative person, marketing person updating the copy,
Yeah.
reviewing it, a developer reviewing it. It takes a lot less time to do all that and a lot less cost, but having those checkpoints is still important. Like
Yeah.
it's clearly not getting that much better, that side of things better yet.
Yeah. And I think also I like it when we're prototyping things.
Oh,
And I
yeah.
want to bypass like what's just like a better wireframe and like um more cleaned up, more complete prototype
Yeah.
it's what it makes. And then you can have some light interactions and just to showcase things. That's actually really good for that. So I
Yeah.
like to use that a lot on that end. But like you said, if you're serious about your site, you're actually launching a product or doing something, even for design too, like you can prototype it. But if you really are serious about well thought of user workflow to make a better user experience, then you'll need to involve the UI UX designer to design that workflow because
Yeah.
that's what make it more competitive. So in that sense, you're serious about your product and actually putting it out there with very thoughtful user journey into the product, then you'll have to hire someone who can actually do it better.
Yeah.
But like I said, it's more like prototype, starting point, MVP to get started, but not the end result.
Yep.